This video shows you how to change the toner cartridge in your HP Laserjet 3500 printer. First, grab the handle right in the middle, pull it back down. You have 4 different cartridges. I happen to be low in this one, magenta. Just lift this up a little bit, pull back ever so gently, and just slide right out. Take your new cartridge, pull the orange tab, pull the sheet out, just slide it right back in until it clicks. And you can do the same thing with all the other colors. They just slide right back out. And then just close it up, and then watch your LCD screen. It's going to go through a bunch of noises, going to check to make sure the cartridge is working. Now it's calibrating. And there it goes, it's ready. And it shows us it's genuine HP supplies. And this completes the video on how to change the toner cartridge in your HP Laserjet 3500 by 247inktoner.com.